Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here, so go ahead and subscribe right now. I'm coming at you with voiceover, and I've been doing some wig restoration, and so I have recorded a few of them and going to share a few of the things that I have been doing. Before I get into this, you will see that Kit Kat has never heard her blow dry before this day, and she was very afraid, skeptical. Just watch her face throughout the video, it's pretty funny. So I have already washed this wig, I detangled it. I'm gonna have several videos up on this technique, but this is just the part once I have detangled this wig and washed it and it is damp. She's like, what in the world? So working with a damp detangled wig, I put it on my wig head and I put pins in to, keep the wig in place. I'm using my blow dryer on hot, like there's heat to it, but it's on the very lowest setting. This technique specifically is only for heat safe wigs. I have my round brush, and what I'm doing is just using small little sections and bringing that heat through with the round brush, and it's essentially repairing, smoothing down, sort of melting, I guess, those fibers back into submission. This wig, you can see it on the very top. There's a lot of pictures of this on my Instagram and also on my Facebook about what the wig looked like before. It was, used and tangled and a little bit matted. And so this is the technique that I use to sort of bring it back to life. So I just worked through this entire wig. I'm going to be doing, I think I'm speeding it up pretty soon, but I just did this throughout the entire wig until it was completely done. I do offer this service to people where I repair their wig. There we go. This is sort of that time lapse situation. By this time, Kit Kat was over it, so she, took off. But you can see there a lot of the matting, a lot of the tangling, just the fibers were not in great condition. And I'm just doing the same thing that I showed you in the beginning throughout the rest of this wig. Total random side note, but if you like my Nirvana t-shirt, I got that at Target, okay? Anyway, back to business. So like I said, I just worked through the rest of this wig with this technique. It works super well on especially straight heat safe wigs. The thing about it is it does take time. This took me from beginning to end several hours, but that was like, rinsing it out and doing all of that, detangling it. You always want to detangle it from the bottom moving up. If you start at the top, then it will really damage and pull those fibers out. I just had my clips, sectioned it off, and I had my little true crime on my iPad and was watching that and just worked through this wig until it was all repaired. Again, like I said, I do offer this service to people. I will put all the information on the screen. I have a little survey and everything that I give, and I offer a estimate on how long or how much it's going to cost before you commit to doing anything. So so far people have been pretty happy with what I've done, and I thought that I would share a little bit of how I did it. And if you would like to do it yourself, then you can see how I did it. And if you like what I did, but you don't want to be doing all this yourself, then you know that the service is available. So you just want to make sure, especially like if you're working with bangs and things like that, to go ahead and bring that round brush and sort of reshape those bangs. And this is the finished product. You can see it's moving beautifully. I can pull my hands through it. It feels amazing. I was so excited on how it turned out. My client was extremely happy. So yeah, this is just what it looks like after I repaired this wig. So if you like these types of videos, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. How to fix your scarf. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!